Hey Blender artists! If you love sculpting and want to bring more realism and storytelling into your characters, then this pack is made for you. Introducing the 250 Wounds and Scars Sculpting Brushes for Blender. This is a massive bundle of brushes and alphas designed to instantly add detail to your sculpts, from dramatic wounds and scars to fine pores, wrinkles, and micro skin damage. Inside the pack you'll find over 250 high-resolution brushes. You'll get everything from deep cuts and stitched scars, to subtle scratches and fine imperfections that make your characters feel real. And to push realism even further, we've included micro skin brushes, pores, bumps, cracks, and tiny surface details that bring your sculpted skin to life. All the brushes are fully optimized for Blender's Sculpt mode. And the best part? They're also organized and ready to use directly inside the Blender asset browser. That means you can simply drag and drop brushes into your scene, preview them visually, and start sculpting immediately, no complicated setup required. The alphas are provided in 16-bit PNG and PSD formats, ensuring that every scar, wrinkle, and pore transfers with sharp, clean detail. This high resolution guarantees that your models look great even in close-up renders or cinematic shots. With these brushes, you can sculpt faster and smarter. Instead of spending hours manually carving details, you can add a convincing wound or scar in seconds, then refine it and move on. The asset browser support makes it super easy to stay organized and find the exact brush you need at the right moment. Why choose this pack? Number 1, Speed. It lets you focus on the creative side of sculpting, while the technical detail work is done for you. Number 2, Workflow integration. Thanks to asset browser support, everything is neat, visual, and easy to access. Number 3, Professional quality. Every alpha is handcrafted and exported in high resolution to ensure the results are production ready. This pack is perfect for Blender artists working on characters, creatures, horror assets, stylized sculpts, or even 3D prints. Whether you're making a battle-hardened warrior, a fantasy monster, or a hyper-realistic portrait, these brushes give you the power to sculpt detail quickly and effectively. So if you're looking to supercharge your Blender sculpting workflow, don't miss the 250 Wounds and Scars Sculpting brushes. Drop them into your asset browser, drag them onto your mesh, and start creating characters with depth, history, and personality. Download the pack today and see how much faster and more fun sculpting in Blender can be. Thanks for watching, and happy sculpting!